Norway, a land sculpted by glaciers and fjords, is a country where breathtaking beauty reigns supreme. From the icy archipelago of Svalbard to the windswept Atlantic coastline, Norway is a haven for wildlife, a place where nature's wonders unfold in every season. Join me now as we journey into the heart of Norway's wild side, a land where resilience and adaptability are paramount. We'll encounter 7 remarkable animals, each with its own story to tell, a testament to the power and fragility of life in this extraordinary corner of the world. Here in the high Arctic, where winter's grip tightens for months on end, lives a creature that embodies resilience. This is the Svalbard Reindeer, smaller than its mainland cousins, stockier, built for survival in this unforgiving land. Unlike their migratory relatives, these reindeer are tethered to these islands, their lives a constant search for sustenance amongst the sparse vegetation. The Svalbard Reindeer is a survivor, a symbol of the Arctic's enduring spirit, a reminder that life, however fragile, finds a way to thrive even in the most extreme environments. Moving south to the mainland, we encounter another iconic creature, the Norwegian red deer. Graceful and agile, they navigate the dense forests and rugged hillsides with ease, their reddish-brown coats blending seamlessly with the surroundings. The sound of their antlers clashing during the autumn rut is a primal call, echoing through the valleys, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. Today, the Norwegian red deer stands as a symbol of the country's wild heritage, a reminder of the importance of preserving the delicate balance of nature for generations to come. Our journey takes us now to the cold, clear waters of the Norwegian coast, where we encounter a creature that seems to defy imagination. This is Aplysia punctata, the sea hare, named for the 2 long rhinophores on its head that resemble a hare's ears. But its most captivating feature is its ability to change color, a mesmerizing display of nature's artistry. Though small and unassuming, the sea hare plays a vital role in the marine ecosystem, a reminder that even the most delicate creatures contribute to the intricate tapestry of life. Our exploration of Norway's underwater realm continues as we encounter another fascinating sea slug, Akira bullata. This translucent marvel, with its delicate bubble-like shell, seems to float through the water like a tiny iridescent orb. Akira bullata feeds on microorganisms, helping to maintain the delicate balance of life in the depths. Its presence is a reminder that even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on the health of our oceans. Back on land in the far reaches of Norway's Arctic north, we encounter a creature that embodies adaptability. This is the Arctic fox, a master of survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. With its keen senses and agile movements, the Arctic fox is a skilled hunter, preying on lemmings, birds, and even scavenging on the remains of larger animals. As we watch this remarkable creature navigate its frozen world, we are reminded of the tenacity of life and the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems. Our journey takes us now to the rugged coastlines of Norway, where we encounter a creature that brings a splash of color and character to this dramatic landscape. This is the Atlantic puffin, a seabird with a distinctive, colorful beak that has earned it the nickname Clown of the Sea. The Atlantic puffin is a symbol of the vibrancy and diversity of life along Norway's coasts, a reminder of the importance of protecting these vital marine habitats. Our final encounter brings us face to face with a true giant of the Arctic, the walrus. These magnificent creatures, with their long tusks, wrinkled skin, and whiskered faces, command attention wherever they roam. Walruses are social animals, often gathering in large herds on ice floes or beaches. The walrus, a keystone species in the Arctic ecosystem, reminds us of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of protecting these magnificent creatures and their fragile habitat. From the frozen Arctic to the windswept coasts, our journey through Norway's wildlife has revealed a tapestry of life as diverse as the landscapes themselves. These creatures, each uniquely adapted to their environment, remind us of the power and fragility of the natural world. They are a testament to the importance of conservation, a call to action to protect these species and their habitats for generations to come. Tell us about your encounters with Norwegian wildlife, your hopes for their future, and how we can all work together to ensure their survival.